Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So these are our CVS couponing breakdowns for the week of January 19th to January 25th. So next week is going to be another great week at CVS. We have a great spend 20, get $5 in extra bucks deal that I'm going to provide for you guys using digital coupons. Also, we have a Smart Source and a Retail Me Not coming out 119. So make sure you grab some inserts because there's some really good coupons in there that's going to definitely help with these deals. One more thing, if you guys didn't receive the $3 off Garnier Facial Care CRT that was supposed to print out this week, the instant coupon that's supposed to print out for everyone, definitely scan your card at the Redbox Coupon Center before Saturday because I did get confirmation in one of my videos that the $3 off is printing now. I believe we have a deal next week for that, so make sure you print it out. I still haven't went to the store to print mine out, but I'll definitely do so and try to come up with a deal on Sunday for you guys if there is a deal for Garnier again. Now let's jump right into these breakdowns. So as mentioned, we have another great spend 20, get $5 an extra buck deal going on next week. So for this scenario, you're going to pick up 2 Tide Pods. They will be on sale again for $4.94 each, making them $9.88 for both of them. Then we're going to pick up a Tide Liquid 92 to 100 ounce. They will be on sale for $11.94. So the total before coupons is going to be $21.82. We're going to use the $3 off Tide Liquid 92 to 100 ounce in our CVS app digital coupons. We also have that same coupon in our January P&G. We're going to use a $2 off 1 Tide Pods from our CVS app digital coupons and a $2 off 1 Tide Pods from the January P&G. Now, if you were to log into pgeveryday.com, we do have a printable for the $3 off one for the liquid and a $2 one for the pod. So let's say you don't have the digital coupons, you definitely can print out from there. Or let's say you don't have anything from the January P&G. Let's say your area doesn't get Tide coupons, then you use the digitals and the ones from pgeveryday.com. So I have a 3 off of 12 laundry CRT and a 2 off of 8 Tide Pods CRT. So the total after all coupons is going to be $9.82, but you're going to get back a $5 extra buck. So it works out to $4.82 for all 3 items or $1.60 each, which is a super great stock up price, especially for the 92 ounce to 100 ounce Tide liquid. So really good spend 20, get $5 in extra bucks deal. Okay, so next week we have the Eucerin deal once again. So it's going to be spend 20, get a $10 extra buck. So you're going to pick up one of the Skin Calming 8 ounce for $9.79. You're going to pick up one of the Daily Hydration for $10.79. So the total before coupons is going to be $20.58. You're going to use 2 of the $3 off 1 coupons from our 112 Smart Source. You're going to use a 225 off 10 lotion CRT, making the total $12.33, but you're going to get back a $10 extra buck. So it works out to $2.33 for both of them or $1.16 each. Now, this is a deal I'm super excited about because we're finally going to get some Irish Spring and Soft Soap Body Wash coupons. I feel like it's been forever since we got coupons in our inserts for these both products. So they're going to be mix and match on a promotion for buy 3, get a $5 extra buck. And I believe the limit to this deal is a limit of 3. In this case, we're only going to do the deal once. So they're going to be on sale for $3.99. You're going to pick up 3 of them, either the Irish Spring or the Soft Soap for $11.97. You're going to use 3 of the 75-cent off 1 coupons that are coming out in our 119 Smart Source. You're going to use the $2 off 8 Body Wash CRT. The total works out to $7.72, but you're going to get back a $5 extra buck for buying 3 of them. So it works out to $2.72 for all 3 of them or 90 cents each, which is a super great stock up price for body wash. So really good deal on Irish Spring and Soft Soap next week. Now, Speed Stick is another coupon that hasn't come out in a while, and I did a mistake on this deal. It's actually our 119 Smart Source, so make sure you look for that coupon when the Sunday inserts come out. So Speed Stick and Lady Speed Stick is going to be on a promotion for buy two, get a $3 extra buck. And they're going to be on sale 2 for $6. You can use 2 of the 50% off 1 coupons from our $1.19 Smart Source, making the total $5, but you're going to get back a $3 extra buck. So it works out to $2 for both of them, or $1 each. Now, if you guys have a deodorant CRT, definitely use it for this deal to lower your out-of-pocket. Next deal will be on Boost drinks. They're going to be on a promotion again next week for buy 4, get a $10 extra buck. But this time they're going to be each on sale for $6.99. So you're going to pick up 4 of them for $27.96. You're going to use 2 of the 5 off of 2 coupons from our 1.5 RMN. And the total works out to $17.96, but you're going to get back a $10 extra buck. So it works out to $7.96 for all 4 of them, or $1.99 each, which in my opinion is a great stock-up price due to the fact that they're $8 and I believe 59 cents or something around there. So some stores may have it for $9.29. So at $1.99 each is not a bad deal at all. Tresemme next week is going to be on a promotion for buy 2, get a $2 extra buck. Now, this deal is going to be a Sunday only deal because the 4 off of 2 coupons do expire on Sunday the 19th. So buy 2, get a $2 extra buck, and they're going to be on sale 2 for $8. And these are going to be the 28-ounce bottles. So you're going to use a 4 off of 2 from our 1.5 RMN. Remember, that coupon expires on Sunday. You're going to use a $2.50 off 8 Tresemme CRT, making the total $1.50, but you're going to get back $2 in extra bucks. So with that CRT, it works out to be free plus a 50-cent moneymaker. So that is a really good deal if you guys have that $2.50 off 8 Tresemme CRT. Now, the next deal is going to be on the L'Oreal. They're going to be on a promotion for spend 15, get a $5 extra buck, and they're going to be on sale 2 for $8. So you're going to pick up 4 of them for $16. You're going to use the 4 off of 2 coupon from our 119 RMN. And remember, guys, those coupons are a limit of 1. You're going to use the 3 off of 2 coupon from coupons.com, or check your CVS digital coupons for that 3 off of 2. But for now, the 3 off of 2 is no longer available on coupons.com. I have a 3 off of 12 shampoo CRT, making the total $6, but you're going to get back $5 in extra bucks. So it works out to $1 for all 4 of them, or 25 cents each, which is a super great stock-up price for the L'Oreal hair care. So really good deal if you guys have that 3 off of 12 shampoo CRT. Let's say you have a 4 off of 18. Definitely combine the Tresemme and the L'Oreal deal, or we have a Garnier deal as well. Try to combine some of these deals to use that 4 off of 18. Because remember, guys, it has to be $18 before coupons. So we have a great deal next week on Garnier Fructis Hair Care. They're going to be on a promotion for buy 2, get a $4 extra buck. And they're on sale next week, 2 for $7. Now this week we also have Garnier Fructis free. But next week we do have a 4 off of 2 coupon, making them free as well, because the coupon we used this week, the 3 off of 2 coupon, will expire on Saturday. So I'm glad that a 4 off of 2 is coming out next week. So we're going to use 1 of those 4 off of 2 coupons from our 119 RMN, making the total $3, but we're going to get back a $4 extra buck. So it's going to work out to free plus a $1 moneymaker. Now, Maybelline Cosmetics will be on a promotion next week for buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. And this is the first time ever I've seen it, buy 1, get 1 50% off. So you're going to pick up 1 of the Maybelline Colossal Mascaras for $9.29. You're going to pick up 1 of the Great Lash Mascaras, half off for $3.49. You can use one of the $2 off one Maybelline mascara coupons from our 15RMN. Remember guys, those coupons are a limit of one, so we can only use one for this deal. You're going to use a $3 off Colossal Mascara CRT if you have that CRT available, as well as the $2 off Great Lash Mascara CRT. Now, next week, we do have a mystery offer coming out for Maybelline or for Revlon. So you can use it on either or product. And that will be printing out for all of us, again, $119. So if the mystery offer is $3, the total works out to $2.78, but you're going to get back a $5 extra buck. So these will work out to be free plus a $2.22 moneymaker, if and only if the mystery offer is $3. Now, it can be $4 or it can be $5. So if it's $5, I'll be super happy, and it'll be a super moneymaker if it happens to be $5. So let's see what the red box gives us next week for Maybelline or Revlon. The next deal is going to be on CoverGirl Cosmetics. They're going to be on a promotion for spend $15, get a $7 extra buck. So we're going to pick up one of the Exhibitionist mascaras for $11.99. We're going to pick up one of the twin brow pencils for $4.99. So the total before coupons will be $16.98. You can use two of the $3 off one coupons from our 15RMN. I have a $3 off CoverGirl Exhibitionist CRT. So if you have that CRT available, definitely use it for this deal. Also, there's a $150 off CoverGirl Mascara app only coupon. So make sure you send that to your account before you go shopping. After all the coupons, the total works out to $6.48, but you're going to get back a $7 extra buck. So this works out to be free plus a 52-cent moneymaker after we receive those $7 in extra bucks. So that's all the deals that I have for you guys. Hopefully this was helpful for you guys. Again, tomorrow I will provide the newbie friendly breakdown videos. And then on Saturday, I'll have that get ready with me video at night. So make sure you check out that video, because I usually show you guys what new CRTs I did get. And I do bring out some new deals. So check out that video and my Sunday in-store video where I go live with you guys, showing you the coupons and showing you all the deals at CVS. So yeah, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you like what you see, share this video with a friend. And again, newbie friendly tomorrow, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.